I have something special for you. Today we're going to be unboxing the HP 14. It's our most popular laptop and we want to show you what it's like. Here it is. So this is the HP 14 that you see advertising. Alright, and we're going to be taking a look inside the box, showing you what it's like. Let's take a while to admire this lovely rose gold color. This color is absolutely beautiful. This laptop is available in multiple colors, of course. We have blue, we have black, we have silver, and this lovely rose gold. So we have officially unboxed the HP laptop. I am loving that the HP 14 is really lightweight. It's 14 inches, but it's not small. If you're going to be using this laptop for school or work, you're going to appreciate how light it is and the fact that it will hold comfortably in your backpack. Now that it's flat on the table, I can appreciate the simple, straightforward design. There's a webcam in the middle and the bezels are nice and thin. I expect a decent viewing experience. Take a look at the ports on the side. There are quite a few ports here. I'm going to put up a diagram on the screen. Feel free to pause for details. The USB Type-C port is a welcome addition here. It's not an older models and I'm liking that. The HDMI port is very useful as well. The other side has an SD card slot. I wish they would have added another USB port on the side as well. Now let's compare it to a 15.6 inch HP model. It is noticeably smaller, however this is not a tiny laptop as I said before. A decent screen size and the keyboard might even be more ergonomic for some people. 14 inches should provide a decent computing experience. As mentioned, you get a 14-inch screen. It has 4 gigs RAM and it usually comes with 64 GB storage, but we decided to upgrade that tiny storage to 128 GB via the SD card. This laptop comes with a new generation Intel Celeron processor that generates 2.6 GHz. It's also running Windows 11S, which can easily be switched to regular Windows 11 Home. After using the HP 14, here's my conclusion. If you want a laptop for word and document processing like Excel, PowerPoint, do online research, complete light tasks such as Skype or Zoom, do simple call center assignments, complete college and school assignments, watch and consume multimedia like YouTube, Netflix, this laptop is definitely a must-have, especially when you're on a budget. If you want to do specialist computing like games, video editing or animations, this might not be the best or most powerful option. And of course, HP has a wide selection of other more suitable laptops.